St. Louis! We're in St. Louis, Missouri. We cannot wait to check out the Gateway Arch and all of the wonderful features of downtown. Austin was wanting to go to St. Louis anyways because of Six Flags St. Louis.
St. Louis!
Woo! Hey guys, where are we? And our goal was to see the Gateway Arch and the old courthouse. However, throughout the course of the day, I continued to refer to it as the Capitol Building. So if you hear Capitol Building, just in your head, substitute it for the old courthouse, because I kept getting it wrong. Are we in St. Louis, Kylie? We're gonna see the Gateway Arch, the Capitol Building, and maybe we'll go check out the stadium while we're at it. Woo! And these guys are coming with us. And so is that crazy kid. Hi, crazy kid.
Hi.
It's a church. We're at the Gateway Arch and we just barely went inside of a Catholic church right by the river. It's really pretty. Now we're gonna check out the park by the arch. Awesome! There's Daddy.
Hello. Come on, guys.
Come on.
My God!
Walking around the grounds was absolutely beautiful at the Gateway Arch. I couldn't believe how big the garden was, and we had to keep stopping and taking pictures because when do you see something that beautiful? Everybody turn around and look at me and say, whiskey! Alright, wait a minute, let me get closer. I wanted to take some beautiful pictures because of the beautiful scenery that we had. Come closer to me. Closer, closer. Oh, you are so cute, boy. Good job. He's like, what is this? Did you find the grass? But Evelyn did not want to. Evelyn, please go stand in front of it.
Come on, Evelyn. Then you can go sit down again.
Then you can have Doritos again. No Doritos until you stand here and give me a picture. Come sit right here. There you go. Here, look at me. Grumpy Goose.
Evelyn. Did you say cheese?
And she made that known to us. She exercised her agency and did not allow very many pictures to be taken of her.
There you go.
There you go.
Mommy.
Look at Mommy, guys. Hi.
Evelyn, look at this chip.
Who wants a chip first? Okay, put your hands down. Put your hands down. Here's Daddy.
There's Mommy. Let's go get her.
Okay, you want to grab her? But it is beautiful, and it kind of smells like garbage a little bit, which is nice. I can actually smell the garbage. I've been just smelling like burning rubber. What do you think it smells like?
I think it's a pesticide or some kind of treatment chemical for the...
It smells like garbage to me. But it's still pretty.
job taking care of it. There's no weeds
Yeah.
here, you know.
What is that? Yeah, bacon, bacon. Woo! Gonna be my
Look at me. You guys know how lucky you are to get to do all this stuff? She said that she wishes that she could travel like Sienna
Why?
because you travel so much. How pretty it is with all those trees.
Mama,
What?
I wish I was in a
Go get Daddy. After exploring the outside of the Gateway Arch and taking as many pictures as we possibly could, we went down underneath. And underneath the Gateway Arch is this wonderful museum.
My Max is
I know, we gotta get tickets first, buddy. The details, how it was made, what were the circumstances in St. Louis when it was made. Evelyn, Grayson, quit climbing and look at me. All right, good. Go sit in the boat.
How do we reach this place?
Bloop, 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 bloop. You can come, Evelyn, come on. Follow Daddy, guys. And it was just fascinating to learn about this incredible architectural accomplishment. Like, you see it and you don't really get how crazy it is that they built it until you watch this video, which was inside the museum, and it was breathtaking. That's the cross section of what it looks like on the inside of that. And after the video was over, then Grayson declared to everyone that he was going to be a builder when he grew up. Evelyn, get out of there. Evelyn, put that down. The other thing that we really wanted to do when we were at the Gateway Arch was to actually go inside and take the elevator to the top. But because of COVID, you had to have reservations. Well, I think you would have had to have reservations anyways, but because of COVID, they were severely limited on how many people could go up in that enclosed space. So they were booked out for months. Like, there was no way that we could have gone up top. It was a little disappointing to not be able to go up on top of the arch and look out and see what it was like on the inside. We went outside and just had a picnic right by the arch, and that was fun. Our kids made some new friends and they played around, ran around on the grass. Say hi, she's saying hi. go play, Evelyn?
You're just gonna lay on the floor. It says, get up, Hunter, get up.
Say bye. So much water. Water, 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 water. After our picnic, we decided to go see the old courthouse. Not the Capitol building, the courthouse. We'd been looking at this beautiful building while we were touring the grounds, and so we kind of wanted to see what was inside.
If you have so long hair, you can fly.
Really?
You know that.
I think it would actually weight you down a little bit.
Wait, what?
I think it would weigh you down. I don't think it would help you fly.
Why?
Because got to check out the Capitol building right by St. Louis Gateway Arch. And it's actually called the Old Courthouse, not the Capitol building. Don't listen to me. Hello. And usually they do let people in, but because of COVID, again, they were not allowing tours. What are you doing? Turns out that the courthouse is closed because of COVID, so no going in. That was pretty disappointing. It was something we were looking forward to. But if nothing else, we got to see the Gateway Arch. That's pretty much the most important thing to see in St. Louis.
There's Columbus Stadium.
It's going to give us a nice view of the arch and the stadium in one shot. So we call our adventure a success. It was awesome.
Choo train.
Your choo-choo train.
Mine. Is that mine?
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe so that you can see more of our fun adventures, and like and comment below.